Bem-vindos, galera, pessoal, bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay, uma live, quem estiver acompanhando ao vivo, de Dragon Ball Z. A galera que estiver acompanhando depois pelo YouTube, peço para deixar o like, não vai custar nada, não vai amassar seu dedinho. Quem gostou, dá um feedback, receber as notificações, se inscreva no meu canal, beleza? E mais um recado, quem quiser participar da comunidade do Discord, está aí presente também, link na descrição no campo do comentário. Beleza? E é isso aí, quem quiser apoiar o canal no link da descrição também. Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto. Iniciar o jogo com esse perfil, sim. Vamos lá. Galera, eu acho que nós vamos continuar da segunda parte da DLC. Nós vamos conhecer o Freeza Dourado. Exatamente isso. Assim a gente vai continuar depois a segunda parte da DLC. Gohan e os outros se enfrentam em batalha. Logo descobre que o exército de Freeza está muito forte do que antes. Para piorar a situação, Freeza ressurgiu e fez saber que ele também está muito mais poderoso do que se poderiam imaginar. Aham, sei. Vamos continuar aqui. Paramos no planeta. Lucky! Vamos enfrentar o Freeza Dourado, mas antes conquistar essas orbes aqui.
I can tell this thing's got lots of energy.
Isso aí. Acho que estamos prontos para enfrentar o Freeza. Vamos comer alguma coisa. Comer uma refeição. Vou enfrentar o Freeza Dourado.
What are we still doing here? We need to get back to Earth now.
Peraí, Vegeta.
I could really go for some food right about now.
What? Aren't you heading back to Earth?
Shall I transport you back to Earth now?
Vamos ver se eu tô pronto, treinar com isso. Vamos testar esse nota dos poderes.
Here I go!
Vamos lá, Whis. Isso. Oh, não devia não. Yeah! Toma!
My turn now!
What do you think of this?
Oh não, perdi! Toma! Meu Deus!
This is it. This is it.
Uma refeição. Vamos enfrentar logo o Freeza. Tem mais enrolação.
Shall I transport you back to Earth now?
Sorry, but could you hold on a second?
Please remember, this is not the time. Shall I transport you back to Earth now?
Vamos voltar pra Terra.
All right,
Vamos lá,
we're ready,
Whis.
Whis. Let's get back to Earth.
Good. Now then. I'd
Good.
hold on tight if I were you.
Not so fast. I'll be going to Earth too.
Oh,
Você é
you'd
o
like to join
Whis.
us, Lord Beerus?
Wait,
Are you gonna help us fight Freeza, Beerus? Of course not. Don't be ridiculous. I'm a god of destruction, remember? It's not in my interest to destroy anything there. I'm only joining you to get my hands on some more of your planet's delicious food. Did you not hear me when I said I was hungry?
Oh,
so
Bill,
that's
vai
why.
Besides,
Ah,
I
então
can't
é isso.
imagine you'd want me to fight Frieza anyway, would you? I know you prefer fighting alone.
Hey, enough of all this talking. If we don't get back to Earth immediately, then Bulma
A
might...
Bulma pode.
I mean, Trunks and the others might beat Frieza before we have a chance to fight him.
Yeah, you're right.
Well then, off we go. Hopefully Earth is still there when we
A
arrive.
Terra ainda estará inteira
Hey,
quando chegarmos.
Don't talk like that, Whis.
Notícias da chegada de Freeza à Terra alcançam Goku e Vegeta no planeta de Bills. Os dois Saiyajin correm de volta para impedir Freeza antes que seja tarde demais. Olha o Freeza aí.
And here we are.
Yeah,
E aqui
this
estamos.
energy is definitely Frieza's.
Yeah, and it's really strong energy, too.
You've wasted enough time. Let's go.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, we're heading out.
Tem
Thanks a
razão,
bunch for
certo.
everything,
Vamos
Whis and Lord
indo.
Beerus.
Obrigado por
I really
tudo,
appreciate
Whis,
it.
Bills.
You're very welcome. Good luck.
All right, Whis, let's go get some Earth food.
My, someone's impatient.
Vamos lá, chegamos na Terra.
I can still sense Gohan's energy, but it's pretty weak.
Then let's hurry, damn it.
Vamos de nuvem voadora? Peraí.
Do take care.
Aren't you going to go fight Frieza? Aren't you going to go fight Frieza? I'd hurry if I were.
Whoa! This one seems pretty tough.
Ah, os capangas de Freeza ainda estão aqui. Vamos lá, Vegeta! Já era. Não dá nem pra aquecer. Será que eles estão fracos? Mas eu vou pedir pra mais forte.
Found some tasty looking food. I can tell this thing's got lots of energy. This thing's giving off a lot of energy. Whoa! This one seems pretty tough. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
Vamos lá derrotar as capangas de Freeza.
Let's.
Nossa, fácil.
Here goes.
Pressionei de se transformar. Saiyajin 2. Vamos lá. Valeu pra treinar. Melhor que aumenta nossos poderes, né, Vegeta? Serve como aquecimento.
All right,
Isso aí.
let's do this. Here goes.
Vegeta agora. Vamos lá. Não acaba mais, né? Quase. Uhum. O que é isso aqui? Ataca múltiplos punho ultrassônico. Ah, Kamehameha Supremo. Que da hora, eu não sabia disso aqui não. Tá pra testar esses poderes. Galera, vamos. Vamos testar esses novos poderes.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Whoa! This one seems pretty tough. All right. All right, here goes. It's my turn now.
Vamos lá! Que da hora, hein?
Lend me your energy. It's my turn now. Out of my face. Here goes.
Ah! Vamos lá! Agora a gente tá pronto a enfrentar a Freeza, eu acho.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
Pera aí, galera. Vamos enfrentar o Freeza Dourado.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Whoa! This one seems pretty
Whoa.
tough.
Lugi!
Over there!
Hurry!
Olha eles lá.
How is Freeza this
Nossa, ele
powerful?
tá forte.
Please don't tell me this is the best you can do. This is hardly the warm-up I was hoping for. I'm afraid this pre-revenge entertainment is starting to bore me. If only Goku had arrived sooner. Perhaps he's become painfully aware of my increased strength and power. Maybe he ran away in fear.
No way! My dad would never do anything like that.
You're a fool if you think Goku would run away.
Ele já derrotou todos, quase, hein?
I really expected Goku to show. And what's worse is that you lot failed to entertain me. Such a shame. You will die. Here and now.
No!
Não. Alright! Espere.
Whew! Looks like we got here just in time.
Ufa.
Dad! You're here! You
Yeah.
made it!
Goku, Vegeta,
Freeza.
you sure took your time.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Pois é,
Get out of my
sorry.
way, now! You shouldn't have come here. Looks like I'll have to put you in your proper place,
Quem te ensinar uma
Freeza.
lição, Freeza.
So you've arrived at last. I've been waiting a long time.
Esperei muito tempo,
I would
Goku.
admit,
Admito
I
que não
wasn't
imaginava que
expecting
Vegeta
Vegeta
iria.
to be with you.
Tell me, what the hell are you doing on this planet?
You mean you really don't know? I'm here for revenge, of course.
Deus, é claro.
Particularly
Nesse momento
against
contra você,
you,
Goku.
Wait a second, Frieza. Don't tell me you're still sore about what happened
Tô
on
irritado.
Namek.
So, I'd never experienced defeat until I crossed paths with you. The
Freeza nunca foi derrotado,
The
né?
moment I was killed and sent to Earth's Hell, and every second since my resurrection. I've come to settle the score and show you that I am the superior being. I even trained, which is something I had never done before.
Freeza tá irritado, hein? Olha.
Glad to hear I had such an effect on you. If you weren't rotten to the core, you'd sure make a great rival. What a shame.
It's that sort of drivel that makes me loathe you with every fiber of my being.
Sorry, Vegeta. Looks like me and Frieza are both ready to go at it. You don't mind letting me go first in this match, do
Goku vai
you?
lutar primeiro, né? Óbvio.
Fine.
A rivalidade dos
I
dois é
warn you,
grande.
if I catch you screwing around, I'm jumping in.
Thanks, Vegeta. Okay, Frieza. I know you've got a grudge against me, but I'm not gonna let you destroy Earth.
I don't care about your little planet. It means absolutely nothing to me. I'll be satisfied as long as I have my rightful revenge. Now then, tremble in fear before my amazing new power!
Novo poder?
Aren't you going to transform into a Super Saiyan?
I don't think I need you just yet.
Oh, you seem rather confident in yourself.
Yeah, I guess.
I couldn't relish in your suffering if I finished you off so soon. Die!
Vamos lá, Freeza!
Just what kind of training do you do?
Eu também sei fazer isso, Freeza.
Lend me your energy!
Toma, gente, toma!
Always figured you for the self-improvement type, but I never imagined you'd be this good.
Well, you weren't the only one who trained. I've been keeping up my own regimen.
Quase empate.
I see. It seems you've attained a great deal of strength since we last fought.
I have, and you're a lot stronger too. It's like I'm fighting a completely different person.
Fortunately for me, I've done a great deal of training.
You're hiding
Você tá mais
something, aren't
poderoso do
you?
que nunca.
Well deduced for a simpleton. I've managed to
Para um
achieve an
idiota,
even
alcancei
greater
um poder
power.
ainda maior me
Preparation for this
preparando para este
moment.
momento.
Well, what are you waiting for? Stop talking and start showing.
Comece a mostrar. A risada do Freezer.
Very well then. Allow me to show you just how much more evolved I have become.
Vai lá, Freezer, mostra seu poder. Ih, dourado, rapaz, vai ficar dourado. É o Freezer dourado vai ser. Freezer dourado. Uou!
Incredible. His energy's through the roof.
Uau! Está ouro, a cor dele em volta, brilhando como ouro.
I've made my new form gold, so it's clear who's sitting atop the pecking
Olha lá,
order.
ouro. Aham.
And to simplify things even further, let's call this Golden
Freeza
Freezer,
Dourado.
shall we? You're no doubt aware that my change goes far deeper than just my shimmering exterior, yes?
Aham.
I am. And even though I'm excited, I have to admit I'm also kind of nervous. I don't know what to expect now.
Well now,
Freeza
it
mostrou
seems
seu
Frieza's
poder.
managed to increase his power by quite a bit. His lust for revenge has afforded him a great deal of motivation. If I didn't know any better, I'd say Goku may have finally met his match.
A gente encontrado um oponente à
While
altura.
it is true
Olha lá.
Frieza's increase in power is remarkable, I wouldn't count Goku out of this just yet.
All right. Now it's
Agora o
my
Goku vai
turn to
mostrar
show
sua
you what
nova
I can
forma
do.
também.
I'm afraid not.
Infelizmente não. Vegeta?
Time's up. Beat it, Kakaroto.
Aw, come on, Vegeta. Things were just starting to get interesting.
You only have yourself to blame. You should have stopped playing around ages ago. Now move aside.
Seriously? Oh, come on.
What's this? Vegeta, you wish to fight me? If you think you can defeat me, you're more delusional than ever!
Olha lá, o Vegeta vai se transformar também. Ih, rapaz.
What is this? No, not you too!
Também não.
That's right. You didn't know, did you? Yes, it's true. I too can become a Super Saiyan, a warrior of
Super
legend.
Saiyajin.
And now, on top of that, I have the power of a god. Well, are you ready to continue, or do you need a moment? Come on, let's see if the almighty Lord Frieza has what it takes to defeat me.
I'll admit I'm surprised by your transformation, but this changes nothing! I am still far beyond you! Allow me to show you the true power of Frieza.
Vamos lá, lutar.
Emperor of the
Frieza.
Universe!
Mostra o poder como Freeza Dourado.
I don't share Kakaroto's taste for forgiveness.
That's only grand talk for a lonely monkey! Have you now?
Believe it! underestimate me!
I'll reduce you to nothing but death.
Bora,
Nothing left when
Freeza.
I'm done with you.
Que parte difícil, vou com tudo. Ah!
To amass this much power.
You're in over your head, Freeza!
Why you?
Nossa, Freeza da puta, hein?
Can't believe it!
Nothing left when I'm done with you. Are you really so eager to die? You now!
Agora eu fico tudo.
Tell me, are you really so eager to die? Tell me, are you really so eager to die? If you were to beg me to rejoin the Freeza Force, I may allow you to serve me again.
I was never your little lapdog, and I never will be!
Like you? How unfortunate.
Prepare yourself!
Toma!
Excellent!
Give up already! No hope!
The mighty Freeza will not succumb to the likes of you, Vegeta!
Também cheguei. Pegar arrepiado, Freeza!
Why you? Now! I'll reduce you to nothing but dust. Nothing left when I'm done with you.
Believe it!
Tell me, are you really so eager to die? Tell me, are you really so eager to die?
Toma, Freeza!
Why you? Impossible!
Isso! Difícil, mas consegui.
Kiss your ass goodbye, Freeza!
No.
Não, não.
No. 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 No, no,
O Freeza tá putaço, hein? Porque perdeu.
I'm afraid you're finished, Freeza. Go back to hell.
Volte para o inferno. Ó, o que ele vai fazer?
What's so damn
Oh, no.
funny?
I'm not the one who's through here. You and your planet are finished!
What?
What? Ele destruiu! Vai destruir o planeta Terra! Oh, não! Nossa, todos já eram. Caramba, velho. A Terra foi destruída. Olha os fogos de artifícios, nossa. De volta à Terra, Goku enfrenta Freeza em combate. Os dois estão empatados, ambos escondendo seu verdadeiro poder. É então que Freeza se transforma em Freeza Dourado, obtendo um poder incrível. No entanto, isso não é o bastante para superar o Vegeta, Deus Super Saiyajin, que derrota o Imperador do Mal. Frustrado e desesperado, Freeza recorre a medidas drásticas para garantir a vitória. O que aconteceu agora, né? E olha lá.
The Earth!
Well, Frieza did something quite fascinating there. In a last-ditch effort, he took out the whole planet.
So what happened to everyone? And where's Frieza?
I'm afraid all the inhabitants of Earth have perished. Frieza, on the other hand, is most likely still alive.
What? But how?
He's able to survive in the vacuum of space. How surprisingly clever of him.
No way! So, now that Earth's gone, that means the Dragon Balls are gone too! We can't wish everyone back.
That sounds about right.
Man, this sucks! I should have finished him off when I had the chance.
Indeed. Are you ready to make this right, then?
Huh?
This turn of events happened because of your own naivety. Rather than making short work of Frieza, you had too much fun with the fight and got careless.
I know.
Vai ter uma outra
So
chance,
try
hein,
not to
Goku? Não
mess
falha não.
things up this time. Destroy Frieza and send him back to hell.
This time? What are you talking about?
I possess the ability to turn back time, albeit only a brief amount. 3 minutes is the most I can manage.
You can turn back time?
That's what I'm saying. Once I do so, you will be returned to just moments before the Earth was destroyed.
Oh! Then that means I can take out Frieza!
Podemos eliminar Freeza então.
Finish him off quickly, and your planet will be spared.
This is great! I had no idea this was even an option!
This is a one-time deal. The only reason I'm
Eu só vou
allowing this
permitir
is
isso
because
porque
I
não
don't
quero
want to
perder
miss
as
out on
delícias da
Earth's
Terra. Ó, o
delicacies.
Bills, voltar no tempo, né?
As I said before, do not mess this up.
I won't!
We'll see. I'm going to rewind time now. Are you ready?
Estamos
Yeah,
prontos.
let's do this!
Whis vai voltar com tudo lá o tempo. Ah, voltar no exato momento, né? O ataque de Freeza destruiu a Terra. Whis e Whis salvam Goku da explosão e informam sobre como corrigir as coisas. Utilizando a habilidade voltar no tempo de Whis e derrotar Freeza antes que ele possa destruir o planeta. É isso aí. Vamos lá, Goku, vamos impedir o Freeza agora, hein? Não deixar de destruir novamente a Terra. Só tem mais uma chance.
All right, Goku. I've turned back.
Thanks! I owe you guys! Okay, time to make this right! If I don't hurry, I'm not gonna make it!
Should you really be talking to me right now?
You don't have much time, Goku.
Earth's gone if I don't move fast! I could really go for some food right about now.
se tá tudo certo pra batalha final. Vamos lá, Freeza, derrotar você.
Kiss your ass goodbye, Freeza.
No. No.
Não, não.
No. No. No, no, no!
I'm afraid you're finished, Freeza. Go back to hell. What's so damn funny?
Qual é a graça? Agora quem vai querer destruir a Terra
Through
novamente?
here. You and your planet are finished!
Freeza!
Freeza! Você vai ver, Freeza! Uau! Hã? Que?
Why, you?
Olha, seu. Ah! Vai com tudo, Goku.
All right, Freeza. Looks like I'm gonna have to finish you off myself after all. I'm not letting you pull any more of your tricks.
But how?
Olha pra
How could
valer.
he possibly know what I was planning?
Eu estava planejando.
No! No!
Não, 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 não.
No! You have gotten in my way for the last time, Goku!
Ah, é?
This will not
Freeza!
stand! I refuse to share a universe with the likes of you!
Vamos lutar!
There's no doubt about it. You're pure evil.
You're just now realizing that! I reduce you and this sorry excuse for a planet into dust!
On my watch or not.
Tell me, are you really so eager to die? Take this! What do you want? He does it!
Here goes!
Ah! Freeza!
You're finished, Freeza!
I don't think so. I'm not going to suffer humiliation at your hands again!
Agora ele vai vir com tudo.
Suffer! I'll reduce you to nothing but dust! Nothing left when I'm done with you!
Get up, Freeza! It's over!
I will not lose to you again! Do you hear me? Tell me, are you really so eager to die? God! No! I will Then reduce your pathetic planet to space debris!
Gonna happen!
Você tá num nível maior que eu, seu desgraçado. Toma, Freeza! É o seu fim! Dê tudo de si, Kakaroto! É o seu fim, Freeza Dourado, morra! Não! Difícil batalha, hein? Conseguiu, Goku! Caramba, hein?
Damn you, Kakaroto!
Deu
Why'd
trabalho
you
de
do
matar o
that?
Freeza Dourado.
Sorry about that, Vegeta. Trust me, I've got a good reason.
I don't give a damn what your reason is. My turn with Frieza wasn't over!
Dad, what in the world happened?
Okay, here's the thing.
Certo, a questão é...
Well, now this is embarrassing. A
Não,
god of
isso é o
destruction
meio...
saving a world instead of destroying.
Deixa destruí-lo. Olha lá.
Oh, don't be like that, Lord Beerus. At least we still have
Beerus,
access
pelo
to
menos aí
Earth's
temos acesso.
mouth-watering food. And just so you know, those two seem to have mastered that new power of theirs. I dare say they may have what it takes to give you a good fight. Provided they drop their bravado and actually attempt to work together. It could happen.
I doubt that.
He turned back time. Kinda hard to believe. Still, if anyone can pull off a technique like that, it'd be
Ainda assim,
Whis.
se tem alguém
You know,
capaz de fazer isso,
I've
alguém
been
é
doing
Whis.
some thinking. We managed to win this time, but we probably could have finished off Frieza super quick if we had fought together from the very beginning.
I'd sooner
É,
die
se o
than work
Goku e o
alongside
Vegeta
you.
lutassem
I don't need
juntos,
your
né?
help or anyone else's.
Glad to hear that, Vegeta. I'd much rather fight alone too, if I'm completely honest.
Those two. They are quite the handful, aren't they?
Let's go, Whis. Well, at least they finally agree on something.
And so, Frieza's villainous plan to
Então,
invade
vilanesco
Earth and
plano de
exact
Freeza,
revenge against Goku was
Goku
foiled
foi
yet
frustrado
again.
novamente. O planeta Terra
The
voltou em
world
paz,
was
ó.
once again at peace. However, Goku and Vegeta would not rest, but instead went back to continue their training
Goku e Vegeta voltaram a treinar,
to
como
become
sempre,
stronger and push themselves to even greater levels.
cada vez mais altos. Olha lá.
The question remains, was this the last time
Seria
Goku and
essa a última
Frieza
vez
would
que o Goku
cross
e Freeza se
paths?
cruzam? Só
Only
o tempo
time
dirá.
will tell.
Graças ao Whis, Goku conseguiu derrotar Freeza antes que destruísse a Terra. Com todos em segurança, Goku e Vegeta retomam um treinamento para se tornar ainda mais poderosos. Legal. E agora aqui, parabéns, você concluiu um novo Poder Despertar parte 2. Agora que você concluiu a história, estão disponíveis novas histórias secundárias. Procure os que buscam ajuda para curtir essas histórias novas. Você também pode fazer com que o Dr. Breve para jogar um novo Poder Despertar parte 2 novamente desde o começo se desejar. Um novo evento, dessa vez o Deus da Destruição está disponível no planeta de Whis. Lembre-se de treinar seus personagens para a luta. Legal.
Hey
Vamos
there!
ver aqui.
What do you think?
Aham.
Yep.
Comer uma refeição antes aqui. Vamos ver as missões secundárias. História. Nível 180?
Whoa! This one seems pretty tough.
A nova transformação é da hora.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
Podemos retomar o treinamento, né, no planeta do Whis.
cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
Vamos voltar ao planeta, Sr. Bills. Ai, ai. Ó, então você se preparou para me desafiar de novo agora que obteve um poder além do teu Super Saiyajin. Intrigante, estou ansioso para ver se você está mais próximo do meu nível. Se consegue me enfrentar em combate. Nossa, desafiar o Deus da Destruição.
Fine.
Let's train. What do you say?
Vamos lá.
Oh dear. Oh dear. I could spare it. I can't believe it.
Vamos lá! Vamos ver os itens. Água Suprema.
Let's train. What do you say?
Vamos treinar nesse nível.
What do you think of this? What do you think of this? This is it.
Vamos lá, Whis.
I could spare
Finalmente chegamos no nível 170. Vamos lá. Vamos derrotar esses bichos orbes vermelhos. Mas a questão principal que nós já fez, que é enfrentar o Freeza Dourado, nós já fizemos. Ai, ai. Ai.
How'd that sound?
Dun, 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 dun.
Easy prey.
Vamos enfrentar ele.
I'll win, you'll see.
Fácil.
Easy prey. Easy.
Olha eles aqui.
I'll win, you'll see. See my power.
Isso!
Easy prey.
Tem não ser um par para nós.
I will stop you.
Try this.
Não deu nem porquê. Ah. Vamos lá enfrentar ele.
Easy prey. You'd better give it your all.
Vamos lá. Isso! Tô na apelão, hein, Vegeta, nesse novo poder.
Easy prey.
Pumped up and ready to go.
Toma! Isso!
Easy prey.
Let's do this!
Nossa, fogo apelão, hein?
You know, you should train some more.
Easy prey.
I will stop you!
You better give it your all.
Ah!
Are you ready to die?
Vamos lá, Saiyajins.
What is this? What? Got a gun!
It's over!
Isso! Subimos de nível. Agora quem vai vir? Ih, rapaz, o Freeza. E aí, Freeza? Normal, vem aqui, maligno. Acabando esse, acho que vou desligar. Ah, aqui tá bom hoje. Que nível ele tá? Nível 45.
Easy prey. I better eat something.
Vegeta, aren't you hungry?
Vegeta, você está com fome?
Alright, let's do this!
Vamos com tudo! Você vai ver, Freeza!
Prepare yourself! Are you ready to die?
Isso!
Gallic gun!
Conseguimos derrotar mais uma vez o Freeza aqui. Eu vou me despedindo por aqui. Acho que eu vou desligar. 1h30 quase de gameplay, isso. Quase. Cumprimos o objetivo principal, que é derrotar o Freeza Dourado. Deixa eu salvar aqui. Desligar. Dando descansar. Ai, ai, ai. Demorou pra carregar aqui. Ó, ergueram uma estátua do Piccolo. O que é isso aqui? Não prestei atenção.
Heya!
Nossa, que da hora.
I will win next time. Fortune's finally smiling upon me.
Howdy. Howdy.
Fortune's finally smiling upon me.
Vamos ver aqui conteúdo. Bom, galera, vamos me despedindo por aqui. A gente se vê na próxima parte de Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto. A intenção é subir o nível dos personagens até chegar ao nível 300, né? Caramba, é muita coisa. Então eu peço para deixar o like se estiver curtindo pelo YouTube. E a gente se vê na próxima parte de Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto. Ainda tem muitas aventuras para seguir. Beleza? É isso aí, galera. Até a próxima. Falou, fui.